Red-billed oxpeckers target ticks on large mammals by scissoring through their fur with their beaks. The birds get a meal, and the giraffes get rid of some pests. But even this relationship is not as clear-cut as it seems. For many years it was thought that oxpeckers only benefited large mammals by removing ticks. But new research has challenged this. Oxpeckers also peck at sores and lesions on their host's skin. Now it's thought that they may actually be after the blood inside engorged ticks rather than the ticks themselves. And if bloody cuts and grazes are available, the birds happily feed on these as well. The more the oxpecker jabs at the bloody wound, the slower it heals, and the risks of infection increase. This macabre feeding habit has earned them the nickname vampire birds, and makes the birds parasites.